Poland's Ministry of Defense has signed a deal worth $1.7 billion to purchase 111 Borsuk tracked armored combat vehicles from state-controlled defense group PGZ. Polish Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Defense Władysław Kosiniak-Kamysz said, "We are fulfilling our promise to invest in the Polish defense industry." Borsuk combines security and economy. Security, because we get excellent equipment developed in Poland. Economy, because all this money goes to Polish defense companies, Kosiniak-Kamysz said. The Borsuk will replace the Polish Army's existing Soviet-designed BWP-1 tracked armored combat vehicle. The contract, signed on March 27, is the first executive agreement for the supply of a total of 1,400 Borsuks and support vehicles under a framework agreement through 2023. The 111 vehicles ordered under the agreement are planned to be delivered to the Polish land forces between 2025 to 2029. Work on the development of Borsuk was started by PGZ subsidiary Huta Stalowa Wola in 2014. The company operates as part of a consortium that will produce the vehicles for the Polish Army. Equipped with amphibious technology, Borsuk is equipped with a remote-controlled ZSSW-30 turret. The vehicle is managed by a crew of 3 and has the capacity to carry 6 personnel. Work on the development of Borsuk was started in 2014 by the local company Huta Stalowa Wola, now a subsidiary of PGZ. The company operates as part of a consortium that will produce the vehicles for the Polish Army.